Hi guys, welcome to Grandma's Kitchen. Today I'm making air fried chicken pakora. And the following ingredients I've got: 370 grams of chicken, 2 tablespoons gram flour, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic chili paste, 2 tablespoon oil, half a lemon, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon water. And the following spices I've got: 1 teaspoon of chili flake, 2 teaspoon tandoori powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper. Right, so let's get mixing. We'll marinate the chicken. We're gonna add all the ingredients. And we're gonna add all the spices in. And we're gonna mix it really well. I'm gonna add the ginger and chili garlic paste and also the oil, and I'm gonna add the lemon juice in, squeeze all the lemon out, and we're gonna thoroughly give it a good mix, coating all the chicken, and we'll just add the water as we need it. Take the lemon pip out. And I've added the water in as I need it. And we're going to mix that really well, giving a good mix, coating all the seasoning on the chicken. So once marinated, we're going to put it in the preheated air fryer. And I'm going to oil the basket. Right, so I've given it a good mix, and I'm going to put it in the air fry basket. You can use your hand, or you can use the spoon. And we're going to put it on 200 Celsius for 20 minutes, and then halfway through the time we're going to turn them, and then we're going to oil them again. And they smell absolutely delicious. As I say, you can have them with salad once they're cooked. Good for snacks. It's just a simple, easy, healthy dish. So we're just going to oil them before we put them in the air fryer. Give it a good spray. That just helps it keep the moisture of the chicken so it doesn't go too dry. Right, so we're going to put it in for 20 minutes on 200 Celsius. And then we'll turn them halfway through the time. So after 10 minutes, I'm just going to turn them and then give them a good spray again with the oil. Right, we'll put it back in, remaining 10 minutes. So after the full time, look at them, they're nice and crispy. As I say, you can have it with salad or just side dish, or you can have it in a wrap, whatever you fancy. So they're nice and crispy, nice and tender inside. So guys, I've finished making the recipe and I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you in my next video.